In this video, we are going to discuss the eigenvalues and the eigenvector. To illustrate the definition, so let A be an n by n matrix and let x element of the complex number be a non-zero vector for which the ax be equal to the lambda x. For some scalar lambda, then lambda is called an eigenvalue of the matrix A and x is called an eigenvector of A associated with lambda or a lambda eigenvector of A. So it means if we have an n by n matrix A, the scalar lambda element of yung notation ng Cn dyan is, it means set of column vector with n or row entries na galing sa set of complex number. So here, a scalar lambda element of the Cn or the complex number is said to be an eigenvalue of A if there exists non-zero vector x element of complex number Cn is such that Ax is equals to lambda x. These are the steps on how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So first, let A be an n by n matrix. So first, find the eigenvalues of lambda of A by solving the equation. Or first, we need to find to solve the determinant of the lambda times the identity matrix minus the A or the n by n matrix equal to 0. So second, for each lambda, find the basic eigenvectors x not equal to 0 by finding the basic solution to lambda times the identity matrix minus matrix A x minus 0. To verify your work, make sure that the Ax is equals to lambda x for each lambda and associated eigenvector x.
So we have here an example of finding the eigenvalues. We have matrix A equals to negative 5, 2, negative 7, and 4. So hanapin natin yung eigenvalues nitong matrix A na to. So the first step is the lambda times identity matrix is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. So ito na yung identity matrix natin. Tapos ita times natin dito sa lambda, no? So magiging lambda 0, 0, lambda. So the second step is A minus lambda times yung identity matrix natin. So i-distribute natin yung lambda identity matrix natin dito sa matrix A natin. So magiging negative 5 minus lambda, 2, negative 7, 4 minus lambda. So ito na ngayon yung A minus lambda times identity matrix natin. Step 3, finding the determinant. So hanapin natin ngayon yung determinant nitong mga matrices na nakuha natin kanina. So i-cross multiplication lang natin, then subtraction. So equals to negative 5 minus lambda times 4 minus lambda minus 2 times negative 7. So simplify lang natin, equals negative 20 plus 5 lambda minus 4 lambda plus lambda squared plus 14. So kapag isimplify natin itong equation na ito, ang magiging sagot natin is lambda squared plus lambda minus 6. So itong equation na ito is simplify lang natin. So ang magiging factor out nito is lambda minus 3 times lambda plus 2. So itong factor out natin ito is, ito na yung eigenvalues natin, yung negative 3 at saka positive 2. So ito na yung eigenvalues natin na gagamitin natin para mahanap yung eigenvectors.
So next is to find their eigenvector. So meron tayong dalawang value or the eigenvalues. So ang unahin natin is itong lambda is equals to 2. So first is sulat muna natin yung given matrix ito. Then the result ng lambda times the identity matrix minus A is equals to ito, di ba? So ngayon is isa-substitute natin yung value ng lambda, which is 2 dito sa matrix. That is equal to lambda, diba, 2 plus 5, and then negative 2, 7, and 2 minus 4. So, yan. That is equal to 2 plus 5 is 7, negative 2, negative 7, ay negative 7 pa, negative 7, negative 7, 2 minus 4 so negative, equal to negative 2. So, ito na yung, let's say na, matrix B. So, yan. Then now is matrix B, matrix 2B, i-times natin sa vector x equal to 0 vector. So, copy lang natin ito. 7, negative 2, negative 7, negative 2 times sa x vector, which is since 2 by 2, so we have vector x element ng vector x natin has an n numbers, which is the x1 and x2 equal to 0 vector. Yan. So, transform lang natin as 7, negative 7, negative 2, negative 2, ay hindi, yan, 0, 0. Then, kukunin natin yung, gamitin natin yung row echelon form to get the, ito. So, first is, para magiging 1 ito, yung leading 1 half, 1/7 times the row 1 is equal to ito, sa row 1 ito, 1 ito, 1/7 times row 1, 7, 1/7 times 7 is equal to 1. And then, copy lang natin yung sa ilo. Then, 1/7 times negative 2 is negative 2/7. And then, 1/7 times negative 2, ay hindi. Copy lang muna. Sorry. So, next is 1/2/7. Next is 2. Gagawin natin 0 ito. So, let 7 times row 1 plus row 2. Negative 7. Negative 7 times row 1 plus row 2. So, negative 7 pala. Sorry. So, negative 7, ay, tama pala. Positive 7. So, positive 7 times 1 is equal to 7 plus negative 7 is equal to 0. And then, 7 times negative 2/7 plus negative 2 is equal to 0. So, here meron tayong 2 ng 0. So, let's ito yung x1 and x2. So, itong x1 minus the x2 or the 1 minus the negative 2/7 is equal to 0. Sulat lang natin. X1 minus negative 2/7 x2 is equal to 0. So, x1 is equals to 2/7 x2. So, x1 is equals to 2/7 x2. So, let x2 be equal to 7. Then, itong negative, negative 2 over 7, ay isasubstitute lang natin yung x2 dyan, which is, ito 7, times 7. So, negative 2 over 7 times 7 is equals to, sorry. Hindi na pala ito siya negative 2 over 7. Magiging positive 2 over 7. Since, diba, gilipat natin siya dito gitranspose natin siya. So, since negative 2 over 7, magiging positive 2 over 7. Sorry. So, 2 over 7 times 7 is equals to positive 2. So, i-write ko lang para malinis. So, ito na. So, 2 over, since 7, x is 7, so 2 over 7 times 7 is equals to 2. So, ito, x2, yung value niya is 7. Then, yung x1 natin is equal to 2. Ito. So, yun na yung vector, eigenvector natin is, yung x1, ito, is equals to 2, diba? And x2 is equals to 7. So, ito na yung eigenvector natin. So, para ma-check siya, if ax is equals to lambda x, i-check lang natin para ma-sure if equal ba yung if i-multiply natin yung matrix A sa sa eigenvector natin is equal ba siya sa the scalar lambda times the vector. So here, check lang natin siya. So yung A, matrix A natin, diba, is yung given, yung negative 5 2, negative 7, and 4. So, times the vector. Times itong x vector natin, itong 2 over 7 is equal to lambda. Yung value ng lambda natin is 2. Since ito 2 times the eigenvector natin. So, 5, that is equal to negative 5 times 2 is equals to negative 10 plus 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Then, negative 14, negative 7 times 2, negative 14 plus 28, since 4 times 7 is also 28. So, that is equal to, lipat lang natin. So, negative 10 plus 14 is equal to 4, and negative 4 plus 28 is equal to 14. It is equal to 2 times 2 is equals to 4, and then 2 times 7 is equals to 14. So, ito na yun. So, yung eigenvector natin is 2, 7. So, eigenvector which is associated with lambda is equal to 2 is 2 over 7. So, now it's your turn to find the eigenvector for lambda is equals to the negative 3. Pwede na siya i-solve on your own. So, yun lang guys, yung steps to find the eigenvectors.